Hello folks, and welcome back to the final episode of the Flying Farmers Airshow. This part has some interesting daylight flying, including the special night flying war games as Adam shoots the fireworks at the planes. So keep watching and enjoy. Here we go. Every day the kids were treated to a drop and they had a lot of fun. Adam had a battery die and lost his plane out in this field, but we went out with my Spark and no, we didn't see it. Can you spot it?
Going, I don't know, away. Alright, sounds good. Is that right? Yeah.
Well, my B1RD was a real big hit, and here I let Paul Spomer fly it.
I feel like I'm in the movie.
Yeah, we had an inch in that.
I'm learning to fly the ornithopter.
Oh, you ran.
So first, before the battle, I used my XK450 as a target for Adam.
Put a whole race right through it.
We're gonna do that again. That was awesome. Oh.
Get right in there.
Look at that.
Oh, that's awesome.
But you did miss the wire, so it still works, right?
I like how it was stuck in there. And then
I
when
know,
it
I
blew,
know.
It popped it back out.
Okay, I think I better get on a couple of flights before the battle begins because it's looking kind of wild out here. And my foam board flight test duster with lights and my UFO are going to be next.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Holding it still?
That made good video.
Oh yeah, I'll just, yeah.
Oh! Ay, ay, ay.
Well, little only minor damage was done to Todd's plane and my XK450 and all this shooting. Got it fixed already. I even pointed to the planes with my laser to help target them for Adam, but to no avail.
Whoa!
Thank you, Patrick. Are you still?
I got a shotgun in the car. I'll get it.
Oh, that'll be it.
tire marks on that.
Man, look at that! Look at that smoke, man.
Well, that's it for this third and final episode in this series, folks. Make sure to see parts 1 and part 2 if you missed them. I put links in the description box. And thanks a lot for watching, and God bless. This is Dave Herbert, the Night Flyer, signing off for now.